Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Lyft's wait and save option. To use Lyft's wait and save option, you'll have to follow the steps. So basically what you have to do is, for that case, open up your Lyft application. Next thing you wanna do is go ahead and tap on the trip button. So first of all, you need to go ahead and book a ride. So for that, you need to start your current location and then your destination. When you've actually done it, so after you've booked a ride, you'll be able to see this option as wait and save. When you actually click on wait and save, then it will be able to save your money as well. Now wait and save allows you to pay less for a ride by locking in a lower price when it's busy. Now in exchange, you'll have a longer wait time, so Lyft can pair you with your best driver for your router and pick the spot. So this way you'll be able to use Lyft's wait and save option. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.